Hello and welcome to MES e-learning channel. Now before we saw speech notes, how to use it and how interactive and easy it was to use. Now next we will see GeoGebra. Now from its name it gives an idea that this tool has a connection with geometry and algebra and it is dominated for mathematics subject. Now what is GeoGebra? Let us see. GeoGebra is a dynamic mathematics software for all levels of education that brings together geometry, algebra, spreadsheets, graphing, statistics, calculus in one engine. In addition, GeoGebra offers an online platform with over 1 million free classroom resources created by multilingual community. Now, GeoGebra has become the leading provider of dynamic mathematics software supporting science, technology, engineering and mathematics. We say STEM, education and innovations in teaching and learning worldwide. In 2021, GeoGebra became part of Byju's family. GeoGebra's app, classroom resources, GeoGebra Classroom and other features will continue to be available at the public for free. GeoGebra continues to operate as an independent unit with Byju's group under the leadership of GeoGebra original founders and developers. Now this was the basic history or background of GeoGebra. Now how to use GeoGebra? Let us see a small demo of using GeoGebra. Start with my screen. GeoGebra. Now here you can sign in. I don't have an account in it, so I am not signing here. But how I use, I try to use it. If I want calculator, start the calculator. Any calculations you want to do, it will come. Then graphing, 2D calculator, geometry. Now here also you have an idea in this thumbnails column, algebra, tools. So you can use it. Now if I click on geometry, so you can use whatever you want here. Then tools, suppose segment. You can share this, or it is very easy while teaching. So it is very easy. You can also, this is higher as well as for the lower standards. For probability, like as we use in our researches, it is very useful. Graphing also, it is very easy to use. Algebra, and there are some basic tools. Here also there are tools, images, text, angles you can use from to show children. It is very easy for every age group and every standard of students. See, still if I don't have account, they still ask me whether you want to save this or not. It is shared or not, but now I don't want to save, so don't save. So you can save it also and you can share it also. Like in our Google Classroom, either you can share it in Google Classroom or you can share it in the GeoGebra Classroom as well. And even they have resources, so like if I share, so it will give you options in your email account, or it also gives an option of Google Classroom. Download, export. You can sign in also, or you can use it directly. Now these are some quick facts of GeoGebra. Let's see some quick facts of GeoGebra. It is geometry, algebra and computer algebra apps. It is easy to use. Then it creates interactive learning resources. It is available in many languages and it is freely available for non-commercial users as well as for commercial users. Now this also I have shared a link where you can how to use GeoGebra, very basic steps, and how to go ahead and explore it.